Transferring probation to another state can be complex and a daunting process. In this video, I'll share a recent success story where we effectively navigated the intricacies of an out-of-state probation transfer, ensuring our client could move forward without legal hindrances. My name's Hieu. I'm a criminal defense attorney based in Orange County, California, with extensive experience in managing probation transfers across state lines. I'm here to provide insights into how we can facilitate a smooth transition for individuals seeking to relocate while under probation. If you're considering an out-of-state move while on probation, it's crucial to have a knowledgeable legal support to navigate the process. Contact me today, and together we'll develop a strategy to ensure a seamless probation transfer, allowing you to embrace new opportunities without legal constraints. A little background in this case. Our client faced the challenge of relocating to another state while under probation in California. The complexities of transferring probation supervision across state lines can be overwhelming, requiring meticulous attention to legal protocols and interstate agreements. The primary hurdles in this case included the interstate coordination. In other words, facilitating communication and agreement between California's probation department and the corresponding agency in the destination state. In this case, it was New Hampshire. Ensuring adherence to both states' legal requirements to prevent any local violations that could jeopardize the client's probation status. In other words, our client in New Jersey wanted to move to Washington, D.C., but New Jersey said that they needed approval from San Diego. And then on top of that, managing the transfer efficiently to align with the client's relocation timeline, minimizing disruptions to their personal and professional life. In our case, our client had already invested in a home in Washington, D.C. and needed to move over there quick, as she was paying rent in both areas. To address these challenges, we implemented a comprehensive strategy. We conducted an in-depth review of the client's probation terms and the legal stipulations of the receiving state. We established open lines of communication with New Jersey and then also San Diego Department. And then also we opened a dialogue with the District Attorney's Office and the court. We compiled all necessary legal documents, including transfer applications and compliance reports to support the transfer request. And then on top of that, we went the extra mile to do all the homework for the transferring agency. So that way, all they had to do was sign the name and sign off on it. We maintain oversight of the transfer proceedings, promptly addressing any issues or delays that arose. Some of the delays that arose was educating the new district attorney every time the case came up, and also on top of that, letting the judge know what the law was as it related to transfer. And there's different types of transfers. There's transfers between interstate and there's transfers between out-of-state. Out-of-state transfer rules differ from in-state transfer rules. Through diligent effort and strategic planning, we successfully secured the approval of our client's probation transfer to the new state. This outcome allowed the client to relocate as planned, with their probation supervision seamlessly transition, enabling them to continue their rehabilitation and personal development without legal obstacles. This case underscores the importance of navigating probation transfers requires legal knowledge to manage the complexities involved. Effective communication between state agencies is crucial for a successful transfer. We needed the DA's office in this case. We needed San Diego's court in this case. We needed New Jersey in this case. And we also needed Washington, D.C. We had 4 different agencies from across the nation working on this. And then on top of that, we needed to provide comprehensive documentation and management, which was essential to facilitate the smooth transfer, because the people from New Jersey didn't know what to do. They didn't know what the courts over here wanted. The courts over here wanted the okay from New Jersey and that they didn't have any objections. New Jersey supervisors, they were afraid of them. They didn't know what to do. So we had to provide the paperwork. Remember, relocating while on probation doesn't have to be an insurmountable challenge. Dealing with the nation's bureaucracies. With experienced legal assistance, you can achieve a successful probation transfer and embrace new opportunities in a different state. And to recap, we assisted a client in transferring probation supervision to another state. We managed interstate coordination with 4 different agencies. We handled legal compliance and timely processing. We implemented detailed assessments, proactive communication through documentation, and continuous monitoring. We kept everybody on the same page. The outcome was achieved: a seamless probation transfer, allowing the client to relocate without legal impediments. If you're facing the complexities of an out-of-state probation transfers involving multiple bureaucracies, don't navigate it alone. Reach out to me today and we'll work together to ensure a smooth and successful transition, empowering you to move forward with confidence. On top of that, we were able to do all this while our client was in the other state as well. Our client in another state never had to step foot into California as we handled all this.